Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the soaps and detergents, page 15. Soaps and detergents are used as cleansing agent. We are making use of soap and detergent to clean things. Dirt sticks to the greasy surface, and because grease is not soluble in water, the dirt is not removed upon washing with the dirt is not removed upon washing with plain water. So dirt sticks to the greasy surface, and because grease does not get dissolved in water, so the dirt is not removed by just washing the surface with plain water. Soaps and detergents are used in such cases. They produce lather or foam with water, which takes away the dirt along with grease. And the soap and detergent, it lathers or it forms foam with water and removes the dust and the grease. Soaps are sodium salts of long chain fatty acids, that is, acids containing long chains of carbon atoms. These soaps, they are the sodium salts, and they are long chains of fatty acids, that is, acids which contain carbon atoms like palmitic acid and stearic acid, and a common soap contains sodium palmitate or sodium citrate. And only these oils and fats that are cheap sources of fatty acids. Fats are oily or soft, solid things found in the plants and animals. So these oils and fats, they are the cheap sources for the fatty acids, and these fatty acids are oily, they are soft things, and they are found in plants and animals, and fatty acids are locked with glycerin in these sources. Soaps are obtained when oils and fats are heated with caustic soda. So these soaps we get when the oil and fats, they are heated with caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide. So when these oils or fats, they are heated with sodium hydroxide, the sodium salts of fatty acids are formed and glycerin is set free. And the process is known as saponification. So this process of separating the glycerin or formation of glycerin from the action of the oils and fats with caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is called saponification. And in the process of manufacturing something, if you get something else, when you want to manufacture something and you get something else, then that something else which you get is called the byproduct. Thus, glycerin is a byproduct of the soap industry. And the glycerin which we get is a byproduct of soap industry, and the byproduct glycerin can be separated and sold, and in such a case the cost of soap is reduced and the cost of soap becomes less when we remove glycerin from it. And glycerin is good for the skin, keeps the skin soft, and may not be separated from the soap. And then we get glycerin soap, which is more expensive than ordinary soap. You all, if any one of you has used Dove and all, they contain that. That is why to wash away that soap, we need a lot of water. And those soaps are having glycerin in it, and that is why they are expensive. Soaps are soft. They are mixed with some other substances and molded to form what we call bars of soap. So they are soft and then they are mixed with some other substance and put into molds and given different shapes, and those are called the bars of soap. Perfumes are also added to make the body soaps. When mixed with water, soap gives lather, that is forms foam, which takes away the greasy dirt, and that removes the greasy dirt from our body. Next is detergents. Detergents are synthetic substances obtained from petrochemicals. So they are the synthetic substances which we get from the petrochemicals and which in turn are obtained from petroleum. And these petrochemicals, they are obtained from petroleum. Stirred with water, detergents always produce foam. When we just stir the detergents in water, they produce foam which takes away the greasy dirt. Detergents are cheaper than soaps and in many respects better too. So these detergents, they are less in cost than the soaps, and so they are even better than the soaps. They are not soaps but work like soaps. So they are called soapless soaps. So they perform the work of soap but are not like soaps, so we call them soapless soaps. Liquid detergents are used for making shampoos and washing soft fabrics like silk and wool. So we are making use of liquid detergents to make shampoos and wash soft fabrics like silk cloths and even woolen clothes. So this much for today.